In today's video, we demonstrate how to remove the underbody panels on the Porsche Boxster. We specifically focus on the rear and middle underbody panels, but the procedure is the same for the front remaining underbody panel. Put the Boxster on jack stands. See my full-length guide for a simplified, step-by-step walkthrough on how to do this. To remove the rear underbody panel, remove a few Torx T25 screws on the sides and 10mm plastic nuts in the middle. All it is one T20 here, one possible plastic T10 here, hex 10 here, Torx 20s over there, and one more hex 10 over there, all plastic, and then we're done. We'll have this underbody panel off. It's important to mention that I will remove that side first, and then I'll move this central hex 10 so that this panel doesn't bend this way and possibly break over there. That's probably why I had to replace it in the first place, because somebody took all the bolts, all the stuff off this way, and then just it bent here, rather than going outwards in. Start over there, work my way in, and remove this one last. To remove the middle underbody panels, remove the 10mm plastic nuts around their perimeter. First, the sides come off, and then they hold the middle piece in. On each of the side panels, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 10mm plastic bits, one T25 at the end. The T25 is towards the front. Once you get both sides off, the middle panel just tugs clean down off of these plastic trim studs that are left behind, exposing everything and making us admire how simple cars really are. To reinstall the middle underbody panels, first we seat the middle underbody panel onto the metal studs without installing plastic nuts or Torx screws, and then the side pieces go over the middle piece, and then those are attached with 10mm plastic nuts. Same thing for the other side of the middle underbody panel. We leave the last row of metal studs available for the rear underbody panel. For the rear underbody panels, we start from the middle out, reinstalling the 10mm plastic nut in the middle, the 4 10mm plastic nuts on the tabs at the front, and then reinstall the plastic nuts on the sides as well as the Torx T25 screws.